Chapter 2, the battles. 3 battles. By the end of what is about a month, there were 3 battles, and they would determine the outcome for England. All right, so the map of the first 2, both in the north of England. Both of these will obviously present a problem for Harold Godwinson. William, not involved in either of these. All right, these are Viking versus Saxon. Hardrada isn't going to be involved in both, and Godwinson has got to try and deal with it. So the first battle, the Battle of Fulford, happened on the 20th of September. Godwinson, who is the king, is not involved in this battle. It's happened all too quickly. He wasn't ready. He thought William was turning up, so he was interested in the south coast. He wasn't interested in the north. So this battle will be between the Viking king, Harald Hardrada, and then the northern earls, Edwin and Morcar. God, they pop a lot in our story. So Edwin and Morcar representing the Saxons versus Hardrada and the Vikings. Hardrada and the Vikings win. It's not a good start to the battles. That news shocks England, and Godwinson has got to do something about it. Then comes the Battle of Stamford Bridge. It's a bit of a surprise, this one, for Hardrada. He was very confident after winning the first battle. He didn't realise how quickly Godwinson got north. And that was an incredible journey, actually. 200 miles in barely a week is incredibly impressive. Godwinson knew he had to use an element of surprise. The Vikings are fearless. The Vikings are really, really good fighters. But if you catch them unawares, you catch them by surprise, you could win. And that's what happened on that day, 25th of September. So the Vikings, Norwegians, didn't have all their stuff ready. Yeah, they were literally chilling out, they were relaxing, they were loving life. And then all of a sudden, the Saxon army's there. When the Vikings came over, they brought over 300 ships to begin with. Quite a force. Christ, they only went home with 24. It decimated the Vikings. And they are not going to be much of a problem, really, for the rest of our story. The Norwegians are well and truly out. So great interpretation there. We look at that as part of one of our homeworks. It's a brilliant interpretation. Look. Hardrada in the middle. The hero.